Okay, it's September 7th, and this is our KZ9 or Z1 900 1975. If you come over here, it's got a Pingle petcock on it, brand new. We're gonna put it on reserve right here. This is the reserve position. Okay, let some gas get in there. It's kind of low on gas. It's been sitting in the showroom for a couple months. Okay, this is the choke. I'm choking it. Up is on. I'm gonna turn the key on. Motor is cold. It's perfectly cold. I always pull the clutch in just because I want to. I still have the choke on. No smoke. Not smoking at all. Bike runs like new. You don't have to rev it up or nothing. Solid. Good bike. If you have any questions, call me and I'll try to answer anything I can for you. Okay, thanks.